He doesn't need to interact with it. I'm always shouting or saying, what have you got on? Why do we want a smart meter? We've managed this long without one. I suppose it was ignorance. You don't know, and human beings don't like change. I mean, I called it, oh, we've got a brain in a box. Let's see how it works. All of a sudden, you had mountains of information there. And I thought, why didn't we have this years ago?
When you just have a quick look within a day or two, what the information is coming off it, the penny drops. In thinking, okay, so pounds have dropped, literally.
Scrabble. Being retired, we're around the house a lot, and we were under the presumption that it made sense to leave the electric immersion heater on and it would just top up itself now and again, rather than sort of have it on, turn it off, and then fire it up again. Turned out that was costing us a fortune. So now we just put it on for a set amount, half an hour each day, depending on what your needs are. If everybody had a smart meter and just saved that little bit every day, all these 60-odd million people in this country, what a difference that makes for the future.
When do you say,
Every time Liz points out to me what's happening with the brain in the box.
Less bills for him to pay.
Yeah.